Alright, so basically the brackets came with the trans cooler. I had got these bolts right here from work. And they're just like fed through the back with a nut and a washer and everything. So I was lucky enough to just have those on hand. And it's just I put an 8mm right there, so I remember that's an 8 to so if I ever need to take that off, like right now. So basically I'm gonna take it off, see if I can just readjust the brackets and just move it over slightly, or if hopefully I don't have to re-drill any holes or anything. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and take that off. That looks pretty good. No, I think I might have rusted a little bit, but no, still looks good. I'll take that off. I mean, it was a pretty simple install, honestly, other than having to take off the horn and everything. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna relocate the horn, or I might just buy something like hella horns or something like that and mount them somewhere else. So yeah, this about as long as that's how long the bolt is that went through it. That. So sit this down out the way. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna move this over and everything, and y'all can sit here and see how I figure it out. I mean, I could bend this and have this kind of like right here and bolt that there, and maybe use this hole right here for one of these. That might work. I'm gonna bend that and check that out. So what I'm thinking about doing, I got this little tool right here. I'm gonna try to put this right here and like just bend it that way to maybe hopefully it can mate up with that. So I'm gonna try to do that real quick. Hopefully that works. If not, I can always bend it back. I mean, I can't do it too many times because of course it's gonna weaken the metal, but if need be, I can always go get another bracket and just remake it. I mean, it's fairly easy to bend. So I just took that, what I basically just did, I had the vice grip right here in this little corner and bent it right there. So that's that. If I just bend it back just a touch, should work. So if I do that like that, have it in that one. As you can see, that it is lining up pretty good right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and bend that little fin that you can see right there, bend out of the way like I had did that one and the other ones. and that should give me kind of what I need, the space that I need. Once again, Honda coming in clutch. I could always find something in there, so found a nail in there, and I'm just gonna like try to like poke it through to the other side. Gotta get used to this. All right, so yeah, just poked it through. Kind of made a little pathway for the bolt to go through. And then I'm just going to drive it through with the screwdriver. Kind of make sure it's going through fine, and it's coming through the backside already. So I'm gonna take it back out and put it on here just to hold it up, and I can kind of see where I need to finish adjusting this piece. That's fine for now. Actually, I should make it go all the way through to kind of get a true idea of where it's gonna land. Alright, so yeah, that's through. And as you can see, oh, hold on. It's not far off. If I just bend it a tad bit more, it'll be perfect. Now, as far as servicing this, I mean, now that this is moved over, let me turn it down. Now that I have more space here, because originally it was right here, I couldn't really get no like socket or anything like through here. Now I'm able to. It looks like it's gonna have a lot more play now though. But I do have enough room. But right here, it's pretty stable. I mean, it's gonna move around, but definitely isn't gonna go anywhere. Let me see if I can. Because if I do that, I could just bend this further in also. So if I do that, a little bit more. Okay, yeah, so I could do that. Definitely send it through there, and it would be a lot more secure. So I need to get one of them automatic screwdrivers for sure. Most definitely need to do that. Next investment. So this will actually leave me plenty of space. So once this is up, come on, back up. So now I have, you can clearly see it's a lot more space here now. And I just need to tighten this bolt up here. Tighten this bolt up, straighten this out a little bit more. It's actually hitting the side of the oil cooler, so I'm gonna try to bend this out a little more so it's just not rubbing up against it. And I just need to bend this a little more. Actually, that might be fine. I mean, it's not gonna mess it up, really, I don't think. But just to be on the safe side, because really what it's hitting on is this corner right here. And this doesn't deal with any of like the flow of the coolant. Like, it's not gonna puncture that right there. But yeah, so just need to bend this a tad bit more. I'm gonna pull this out and see if I can get that to work. That worked a little bit better. Well, I could just put some spacers right there, because right now it's not flush against the cooler. So if I put some spacers, it has room, it won't hit that. I can still make that right there, get that through, because that's all the way against it. And I still have to bend that, but if I leave some space, kind of leaves me room for like adjustment. I still got enough room behind it to put the washer and nut on the back of it. So I just need to mark where I'm gonna drill this hole at.